Good morning, fifth graders. So, you guys have been doing such a good job on your Westward expansion. A lot of you have your three body paragraphs and you have your introduction and conclusion done, which is awesome. If you're someone who's like, oh, I don't have my introduction done yet, or I don't have my conclusion, today is your last day to do so. So I really, 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 really need you to, I'll say really one more time, work hard to get your introduction, your three body paragraphs, and your conclusion. That's 5 paragraphs that you need. So we are going to today, along with editing, you are going to get your essay all set up in our paragraph. So I have 2 friends who have graciously let me use their writing. So I have Hannah, who here has her information for her 3 topics. Scrolls down, she has her introduction, her paragraph 1, her paragraph 2, and her paragraph 3 with her conclusion. That is awesome. That's what it should look like. You should have your paragraphs separate from your information, okay? I also have Autumn's right here. She has all of her information up here, all of her research that she did, and she has now moved everything down to the bottom here. So if you look here, it says Autumn's Westward expansion paper. She has her introduction, her body paragraphs, and her conclusion here, which is awesome. So you have to make sure that you have everything separate in your paragraph, so then we can tomorrow we get to have recording of it. So there's another video I need you to watch, how to record. So we get it all laid out today, we edit it, and tomorrow you get to record it. I can't wait to hear your essays. I'm so excited. Bye, guys.